This is a unboxing video for the Zeiss Conquest version 4. As we can see here, this is a 6 by 24 by 50, and in this case it has a ZMOA reticle inside, so an MOA scope. Let's take a look inside. So a very simple, clean box. Let's have a look. Well packaged. We have the scope, the battery, Allen wrench, lens cleaning, all the usual things that you'd expect from a scope. Obviously this is a slightly lower end scope, so by which I mean more cost effective. So it has a simpler set of lens caps. I'm sure you could get some lens caps you can attach directly on either end if you prefer a flip up type cap. This is a sort of fairly solid feeling unit, feels well made. And we can see here nice feeling zero stop, capped windage, so a plastic cap there, and we have looks like an illuminated reticle which is controlled here, and this is a parallax. It's a little stiff, but a nice feeling solid, quite lightweight scope, and all in all feels well made. Let's take a look at the weight. So pretty lightweight, only 1 pound and 7 ounces. Probably make an ideal hunting scope, but it's quite able to do long range with that type of magnification that's available here, as you can see. And it does have a diopter, and it does have Zeiss glass in it, which is well renowned for being excellent. So that is a quick open boxing of the Zeiss Conquest version 4.